Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code BLUBRRY004.
PikaBoost. And it's made by the company Livall, Livall. And Alice is here, Alice Lee. And hi, Alice. I'm Don Baine, the Gadget Professor. How are you?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So Alice is here from a company called Livall, Livall. And it's Alice Lee, and she is going to tell us what this PikaBoost is all about. How are you today?
Very busy and
very busy?
Yeah.
And that's good. That's what you want to be. You want to be very busy.
Busy means good, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me what you have here.
Okay, this is the CES Innovation Awards winning.
This is a CES award winner?
Yeah.
I want to see it.
Yeah, and this is smart accessory, and this one can install in any regular bike and make it become an e-bike.
Wow.
Yeah, this is what we call the PikaBoost.
Okay.
And we launched last year in Indiegogo and raised over $1 million sales. And now we have finished all the fulfillment for our backers, and now it's already sold on our own website, Livall.com. And
okay, so if you go to Livall.com, you'll be able to see this, and you'll be able to see live demos of this, I'm assuming there.
Maybe I need a bike, but I can introduce the function of PikaBoost. Yeah, it has 4 riding modes. For the power assist modes, that means when you're pedaling, it will power assist to make you riding more easier.
Right.
Yeah, and it also has the cruise mode. That means you don't need to pedal. You can directly go.
Now this will adapt to any bike?
Yeah, any regular bike. So you don't need to spend $1,000 to buy a new e-bike and give up your old bike. So that's what we call the sustainable.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and it also has a very interesting function called the workout mode. That means when you're riding, it will increase the resistance. So you will ride a little bit hard, but it will recharge the battery itself.
Now that's brilliant.
Yeah.
So you're actually using the pedaling, the motion of that, just like a generator. You are the generator, and you're feeding that back power. That's very clever.
Yeah, the battery.
So you're giving it a boost, essentially.
Yeah, at the LVCC North Hall. Yeah, we add a boost there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how hard is this for the consumer to install?
For myself, I can install it in my bike within 1 minute.
You can install this in 1 minute?
Yeah, it's very easy. Just
are you kidding me?
Yeah, just put here at your bike and click with the screw here, and very easy, and then you can go. You can experience what kind of riding modes you want. Yeah.
That is brilliant. I mean, wow.
Yeah.
Now, how much does this device cost?
There's
only one model right now, right?
Yeah, only one model, but you can experience 4 kind of riding modes, and the price is within $400, so it's not too bad, right?
Wait a minute, this only costs $100?
$400.
Oh, $400.
$400.
Even so.
Yeah, it has two kind of battery. One is 158 watts, which you can carry on the plane, and another one will be more powerful.
Are they lithium batteries?
Yes, the battery inside and the motor inside.
Okay. How heavy is this?
You can try. Maybe 6 pounds.
I got to tell you, this is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's brilliant. It's small.
Yeah.
Relatively light. You're not going to be picking it up anyway because it's going to attach to the bike. And you got some wheels back here that obviously will touch the ground.
Yeah.
You hook it up here. With this clamp.
With this gadget.
And I mean, that's about as easy as you're going to get. Kind of looks like a GoPro. Anyway, that's that. And then how do I turn this on and off? Is that via an app?
Yeah, we have our own app.
You have your own app?
Through our own app, you can record your riding data, and you can choose what kind of riding mode you want and adjust the speed. And the most important thing is it has the fall detection. That means when fall down, it will send the SOS to your emergency contact.
Really?
Yeah, and it also is another gadget is a remote control put on your handlebar. So during your riding, you can adjust the speed with the remote control.
Boy, you pack a lot of features in it for $400.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
it's
very,
totally
very value packed.
smart, right?
Pardon me?
Very smart function.
I think so. And what's this made out of? I mean, it's pretty solid to me. Is this aluminum? What is the composition of this? Is it aluminum, metal?
This is a kind of sorry, I don't know the material.
That's okay. It feels like it's a heavy-duty aluminum. So if this were to fall, it's so well made that I highly doubt it would break. And again, the mechanism that they use here to attach this to the bike, you can hook this up in 1 minute.
Yeah, very easy to install because we don't want to make our users trouble, so we will design our product very easy to go.
Yeah, brilliant. I mean, it's very, very smart.
Yeah.
Now, how long would the charge last?
If full charge, it only needs 3 hours, but it will support at least 40 miles to 15 miles distance.
Now, what about if you're pedaling on that for the 14 miles? That will add life onto this?
Yeah, it will. When you pedal, it will boost.
How much more will I get out of that?
The max speed is 19 miles per hour. Yeah, because we want our users to be safe, so just keep safe during your riding. And the most important thing is there will be 3 kinds of tire to match the road bike, the mountain bike, the regular bike, so this can be replaceable. Okay,
so let's just show that up here. This is being replaced. You can replace these wheels for different kinds of terrain, if you will. Extraordinarily well made, in my opinion. Very nice job.
Thank you.
If I wanted to buy one, I would go to livall.com?
Yeah, go to livall.com.
Livall.com. And Amazon sell these?
Not
Amazon
yet. Will be the next step.
Okay.
But just search on our website.
Livall.com.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm amazed by this. What a clever idea.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye now.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Baine, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.